Uncle Jimmy can't get you dressed. He doesn't know how to put his leg in the hole.
I'll get it.
Now stand him up.
Is that right? You're twisted.
Stand him up and pull him up.
Okay, let me see the G. Stand up. Oh, you're all right. Did I get it right? Oh, I did.
Dude.
What? This stomach's cold. Put this on. Look.
Look, Uncle Jimmy. Put your shirt on. No, your shirt, honey.
Right here. Put your arms in.
You gotta help him.
You do?
Yes. Now untwist his pants in the back.
His pants is twisted.
Okay. Well, that's not right.
Nicholas! Let me see. Nicholas! Let me see.
Don't climb up that falls.
Let me see what Uncle Jimmy did to you.
I don't know what I'm doing. Huh?
Put his arm in the hole, fool.
Let me see your arm. Hold on, buddy. Your bunny? Wasn't that the 80s? Put your arm in. Uncle don't know what he's doing. I told you I don't know what I'm doing. You're okay, buddy. Where's your buddy?
Pee my pants.
Oh, there you go.